Happy Earth Day from Ecuador. Last week, the essentially useless head or cabinet secretary for the Department of the Interior, which would include the Bureau of Land Management, the National Park Service, Fish and Wildlife Service, and the Bureau of Indian Affairs, essentially turned over entire oversight and control of the entire department to Elon Musk and his boy band of barely pubescent hackers to consolidate, unify, and streamline or some shit. What we can expect is a lot more firings, a lot more stripping, raiding, robbing of basically the one thing that we have in our country that is unable to fend for itself. I started Support Public Lands in 2017 during the first administration when he wanted to delist a bunch of national monuments so that he could open them up to mining and extraction. So Support Public Lands used to be a 501c3 nonprofit connected to the IRS, which has been decimated like most of the federal government. Yeah, I could probably reopen the nonprofit, have it attached to the IRS so people can make nonprofit or, tax deductible donations. But you know what? Fuck that. I don't want to have anything to do with this government, with this federal government, not under this regime. I want to be able to say what I want. So that said, I am going to relaunch activity on Support Public Lands. So I'll be posting information about risks and threats to public lands, ways that you can help advocate for our public lands remaining open to access, those areas that are, but basically conservation and keeping our wild lands wild, beautiful, and free. There's also a group that's attached to the page, Support Public Lands Group. Feel free to join it. It's a moderated group, and I highly encourage you to share news that you come across. And also, if you don't want to post for yourself, feel free to email me at info@supportpubliclands.com and with the link or whatever information, and I'll do it for you. It's really hard to figure out what to do. It's overwhelming, it's terrifying. But if you don't want to get burnt out and you want to be able to sort of keep up your momentum and your ability and your energy, pick a lane. So I have Support Public Lands, even though I'm extremely pissed off about a lot of things. This is a time for us to use our voices. That's really all we've got at this point. But if enough of us use our voices, it will make an impact. So this is the way I'm choosing to use mine because the infrastructure is already there. And I hope that you'll join me.